Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. One stock, one time frame, one trade, only if my setup appears. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. The target just hit at 10 o'clock. I was in this trade for 45 minutes. Let's recap. This is Palantir on the 1 minute chart. The red line is the high of yesterday. And the reason I went bearish is because since this is the high of yesterday, came closer here, reject, making this new high here, and it formed this wedge flag here, rejecting the high of yesterday and also rejecting the new high of today. And broke this pattern here. My entry was here, my stop was up here, my target was down here. It came halfway to my target, retrace, came again, retrace a little, and then came a cent or two away and it started rejecting it. I was ready to put my stop to break even because I'm not gonna lose the whole amount because of 1 cent, but it finally came back and hit my target at 10 o'clock. So that's the reason I went bearish. It's the pattern form under the yesterday's high, and also form a new high, rejecting it. And that's the trade for today. I waited for my setup, stayed patient, and execute according to my rules. Entry was clear, risk was defined, and I exit accordingly with my plan. The important part is that I stayed disciplined the whole time. I'll come back tomorrow with the same focus on execution, not results. And always process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.